Hey buddies, today we are checking out the first Omega X Swatch release of the year, the MoonSwatch 9065. It's definitely an exciting one, especially for those who love the vintage Speedmaster aesthetics. We just picked it up from the Swatch store, so let's get into it. And here it is, the MoonSwatch 9065. Right away you can see it got this gorgeous vintage inspired colorway, and unlike most other MoonSwatches, this one features a white dial with black indices, giving it that clean look and a real retro feel. One of the coolest details in my opinion, the Omega logo. Instead of the modern design, Swatch has gone with the classic vintage Omega logo, just like the one found on the original Speedmaster ST105.012, the model worn during the Apollo missions. It's a small change, but for collectors, I think it makes a big difference. As expected, the case is made from Swatch by a ceramic, keeping it lightweight but still true to the Speedmaster shape. The black tachymeter bezel complements the white dial perfectly, and overall this piece really nails that 1960 space race aesthetics. Flipping it over, we still get the signature Mission to the Moon case back, which keep that connection to the original MoonSwatch while honoring the 1965 era. Now let's talk about the strap, because this is actually a big upgrade. Unlike the standard Velcro strap, this model comes with a quick release system, meaning that you can swap it out without any tools. That's a huge win for anyone who loves to change up their look. And of course, we had to test it with some of our watch straps, and it looks absolutely great. First up, we got the black premium strap, a classic and easy choice in my opinion. Then we have the gray premium strap to match the case. And here we have some more colors, and since the dial is white, I think it's super easy to match almost every color with it. And of course, we also had to try it with some of our leather straps. If you're looking to upgrade your watch, all of these straps are available on wristbuddys.com, link in the description. So there you have it, the Omega X Swatch MoonSwatch 1965, a watch that combines heritage, cool design and everyday wearability in one package. The quick release system strap, vintage logo and a white dial really makes this one stand out. What do you guys think? Did Swatch nail the vintage vibe, or were you expecting something different? Let us know in the comments, and of course don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more watch content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.